Are you tired of clicking through Google Calendar menus all day? Learn how to enable keyboard shortcuts in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting. Just follow these 4 simple steps. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, under the General section, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Finally, turn on the toggle for Enable Keyboard Shortcuts. Your changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.